go koro, I go komaro, I go koro, I go komaro, I go koro, I go komaro.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ernie and you're tuned in exclusively to me. Okay guys, today we're just going to be learning about, well, I'm going to be speaking and learning for myself about just makeup for beginners. I mean, I'm still a beginner, but just want to share my tips and tricks with people out there who are just starting. If you see me looking over here, it's probably because I have all my stuff here and I didn't like order it or anything to like which one I'm going to go to. But let's start with my look. Okay, my look, it's very simplistic right now. I mean, I just have like copper eyeshadow on with like no eyelashes. I know guys, I feel like eyelashes make a look so much better, but I really wanted to be really simple today for you guys because I was like, what if eyelashes are just too much? And I'm like, I'm not even wearing foundation today because that's a long story, but I'm not even wearing foundation. But today we're gonna start off with foundation. For me, the foundation I used to use when I had it was Maybelline Fit Me, and it looks like this. I don't know if you guys could see it. Okay, it looks like this, and this one is in the color Java. It's the 375 Java. But little did I know this one was too dark for me. I even tried it on like at the store and I was like, this is my color. But when I got home and I put it on, I was like, dang, this is so dark. It's way too dark for my skin because it oxidizes. Like, it'll be like a nice perfect shade. It'll be like your shade like at the moment, then like it'll get dry and then boom, it looks darker. And it's like, no. So for this, I don't wear it. What am I talking about? I wear it, but I wear it as like contouring because it's darker, so it's like perfect contouring. Yep, that's my foundation. But I actually wear a 370. If anyone like, you know, if anyone's like, oh, I want to know my color, I want to know what it looks like, we're gonna go on to highlight because that's what I have in my hand right now. For highlight, what I use personally is this 3D liquid glow highlight from Beauty Glazed. This isn't the best highlight. I mean, it's okay, but it's like you really gotta work it into your skin to make it like do what it has to do, glow. But I like it so far, and plus I don't have a choice. I paid money for it, so mama gotta use it, girl. So that's what I use. But also when I do want like another alternative, I just use like a color from one of my palettes and I just put on the gold color and it works perfect. I've taken pictures in the sun. It's like glow, mama, glow, and I like that. So yeah, I'm just gonna go on to eyebrows because I have it with me literally right now. Okay, I can't find my other stuff, but for eyebrows I use an eyebrow pencil, a brown one, and then I use this e.l.f. pomade. Oh my god, don't look at my face, guys. Okay, I use this e.l.f. pomade one. I say pomade like a Haitian. I can't say pomade, I say pomade because yeah, I'm Haitian. Okay, whatever, that was random. Okay, I use this one, but it's kind of difficult how I do my eyebrows because at first I used to just do it with like pencil because I was like, I only had pencil. Then I found out gel, and gel has like this nice finishing look to it. So I started using gel and I was like, okay, let me use this pomade. Pomade and gel, I say this something, guys, don't worry. And now it's like I use them both combined. I start off with over here with pencil, like my brown color, because I found like this was a little too dark for my eyebrows. Guys, I keep on getting darker. Like, I don't know what's wrong with me. And then like I go to the back with it and I just fill in wherever I need to fill in. Then I, you know, conceal. Speaking of concealer, let me find my concealer. I use two concealers. I use concealers that are closer to my skin color because I don't really do highlighting. I just do like a lighter one when I put on like eyeshadow. But for concealer, I use this one. Oh shoot, sorry again. This one, the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is in the color Dark Cocoa. I bought this by accident one day and I was like, let me just use it, and I fell in love with it because, yo, if you're a beginner, this is the best concealer for you. Whoa. It's cheap, it's great, it's wonderful. It's the bomb.com, okay? On to the next. I used this Maybelline one because I heard so many great like reviews about Maybelline online, and they're like, oh, Maybelline's so great, Maybelline's amazing. Maybelline is great if you're a beginner. Go straight to Maybelline because they're bomb. They're bomb. If anyone's tried like the Rewind Age one, the concealer, I'm gonna get it. Tell me what y'all think about it, because your girl wanna look like a bad chick. Okay. So yeah, this is the one I use, but this isn't a lighter color than mine because I thought I would start to like highlighting, so I got this real light color. This is a color caramel, well, whatever. And I was like, okay, I'm gonna start highlighting so I could be a bad chick, you know, so I could get my makeup in check. And then I started highlighting and I was like, no, I don't like it. Too much. Okay, on to the next. For primer, I really don't use primer. It's not like, okay, I just use aloe vera gel as my primer. That's all I use. I got this from Target. It was really cheap. So, whatever. And then, what else do we have next? What else? Oh, what else? For, you know, for like setting powder, guys, for me, as of right now, this is the best setting powder you can use. If you're a beginner, I mean, like, it's cheap, so, like, and it's very convenient. You can get it, like, anywhere, like Walmart, Target. It's Maybelline, y'all. It's Maybelline again. Maybelline Fit Me, and this is in the color Dark Profound in 40 color. Guys, ew, I'm ashy. Guys, I love this so much. Sometimes I even use this as like, I do this natural makeup look with it where I use it as foundation, and it lasts through like the whole day. This is really good, and the color is so rich, and it's like, yes, I love it. I am in love, just so in love. Sometimes when I don't want to do my eyebrows and I just want a nice shape, I use this Milani Brow Shaping Clear Wax, and I just put it, oh shoot, I just put it all on my brows, and I just shape my brows with like a brow pencil. This is the brow pencil that I used to use. It's from Anastasia. Okay, guys, it's not really that great, just to tell y'all, boys, it's not. The bomb.com. This is what I used to use when I first started like doing makeup. I used to use a Super Blend Powder Roll by L'Oreal. I used to use this, and I thought it was like the bomb.com. Like, I was like, I'm stunting on you girls, but now that I don't use it that much. I don't use it anymore. I use it sometimes, just not all the time. But for mascara, I've been using this mascara for a long time. My only con for this, it's not waterproof. Like, I can't be tearing seeing dark streaks running down my eye. No. So I use this e.l.f. Lash Extending Mascara. See what I did there? It's like, it looks like this. Okay, yeah, I don't know if I'm putting this up for y'all right. I'm gonna have something to like put it up for you guys, just so you guys can know which one it is. And you know, it's nice. Wait, let me open it for you guys. It's okay. It looks like this. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's nice. It's okay. Makes my eyelashes look good and whatnot. So I like it. Ew, gross. Now we're gonna move on to palettes. The first palettes that I ever started using, at first I didn't start using eyeshadow because I didn't know how to do it. I was like, I'm so lost right now. But then I decided, let's buy some palettes. These are my beginner palettes. Like, these are my beginner palettes. I don't know if you can see it, but I'll just start one by one. This is the Sunset Dusk shadow palette by Beauty Glaze. It's very messy right now because my niece be playing with my life with this, and it comes in colors like this. It's really nice, guys. It's amazing. It's a really great palette. And then I have the I Got You edition by Beauty Glaze, and it's still, this one is really nice too. See, she be messing with my life, guys. Messing all of my stuff up with my life. I have another beginner's palette, but I can't find it as of right now, so yeah. But me, I don't usually wear lip gloss. I don't do lip gloss. What am I saying? I don't wear lipstick because I'm just not that type of, I'm not a lipstick person, so I can't find my lip liner. But what I do when I want to look like ditzy and dazzling, like, ooh, ooh. That was supposed to be a wink. Ooh. I just put lip liner and I add some gloss. Oh, my gloss isn't here, but I use this other gloss, but I use gloss or I use Carmex, and I just mix it all together and it gives me like a nice look. Yep, I do. Yodelly hoo. That was, I don't even know, yeah, boys. This is my bag for like brushes. At first, when I first started buying brushes, because I was like, I need brushes. I can't keep applying stuff with my hands anymore. I can't. I can't do it. So I was like, let me just buy some brushes. Let me just do that. So I bought brushes, but I bought them on AliExpress. Oh, the brushes aren't bad. Like, I'm not saying they're bad. I just expected them to be like bigger. Like, do you see this? It's just not bigger, but longer. Like, you know. But here's some of the brushes I got from AliExpress. This is not all of them, but it's like I've used some of them, if you can see. It's purple and it has like some color type of gold thing on it. And they're really nice to use. I use them greatly. And it's very affordable for beginners too. And yo, I'm so sorry guys. Another affordable thing for beginners is like, okay, don't judge me, y'all. I know they so dirty. It's not my fault. So these e.l.f. brushes, they're so affordable. Like, go to Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree has literally the most affordable makeup, the most affordable brushes. Dollar Tree, 5 and below, Walmart, Target, anywhere that has like drugstore type of like makeup. Like, it's very affordable, it's very cheap. I just said that. I don't know what's wrong with me today, guys. And then I started using these, but yeah, I started using those. And then for my eyelashes, I really didn't use an eyelash curler, but then my sister-in-law, we went to Burlington. Burlington has really nice makeup too, guys. If you guys ever go to Burlington, check out their makeup section. They have nice brushes too. They do. And she was like, oh my god, this is so cute. And I told her to get me it because I love things that are like glittery, but what is wrong with me today? That are glittery, that are bedazzled like this. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? This is just so beautiful. But it's I still don't know how to use this. I did use it last time, so I'm getting the hang of it. But get one of these. They're really good. They're amazing for your eyes. And get a beauty blender. My beauty blender is broken right now and I can't find some of the pieces, so I don't have one, but I purchased some and they're coming in soon. But get a beauty blender, because literally if you ain't got a beauty blender, what are you doing? What are you doing, honey? What are you doing in life? Beauty blenders be blending your face to the max. To the max, y'all. Like, brushes, I don't have a problem with brushes, but beauty blenders, they will blend the things that the brushes don't even like, wouldn't even dare to touch. You're like, ooh, you got a thing right here from that brush. And the beauty just be sliding and be like, let me fix that, because I could do that. And I'd be like, okay. Better fix the beauty blender. I'm sorry, guys. That was just, oh no. I'm super nervous. But, okay, guys, so the video stopped because my phone is like running out of space so badly, but it's like I cannot get the guts to delete anything. But like, excuse me, guys. I delete stuff, but it's like I put it in my Google Docs. Google Docs, really, or instead of really? I put it in my Google Photos or whatever. But yeah, I think, oh, for eyelashes, if y'all want to get glitz and glam. I buy my eyelashes from Kiss. I don't have my eyelashes right now. They're in my room and they just don't look their best. So I buy my eyelashes from Kiss. Yeah, I said that already. Or I have these individual lashes and I don't know what to do with them. I can't apply them for nothing. Like, I try. Oh shoot. I try and it's like no. I also used to use this Estee Lauder palette thing. I don't know. Yeah. It's not looking good right now. I'm gonna show you. But that's kind of it, guys. If you guys have any more like questions or anything, you know, hit me up on the gram, you know. Like, put comments down below and I will answer all of them. Like, I'm very get Etsy stuff. I am. Y'all just saw my ashy knees. Okay, but guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe down below because you never know what's gonna happen. We might end up being like, I don't know, friends. Do you want that? Do you really want to be friends? I think you do because I'm an amazing person. I've been told multiple times that I'm like Britney Spears, but better. Okay, bye guys.